My exhibition, Phantasmatic Screens, is an exhibition of two works. It's the Antipodes 3 and the Sojourn. They're both film and video works, and they are kind of reconfigured on uncanny sculptures. Antipodes 3 is a work that takes a landscape from Kinmen, which is the site of a major Cold War battle in the 1950s between China and Taiwan. Sculpturally, I was inspired by Marshall McLuhan's line, when we look at the present, we march backwards into the future. And this notion of marching backwards and this notion of these complicated histories and the Cold War kind of boomeranging and thinking about media's role in that was ripe, I think, for creating this uncanny video sculpture. For visitors, I think, when they encounter these images of landscape, as much as these works seem to demonstrate and show and illustrate a place that is quite distant from Luxembourg, all the way in Taiwan, there's also a sense of distance that one has to reckon with. And the distance and the strangeness of how one relates to a faraway landscape and politics. Film and video as a medium purports to illustrate things to us, show things to us, explain things to us, especially when it comes to nonfiction and documentary. It is imbued with politics and propaganda. It is a medium for propaganda. So for me, film and video is a high-stakes medium. Landscape is not neutral, and I'm interested in how film and video is a way to address its landscape's non-neutrality. And these works are really about broad political questions. They are questions for the audience, they're questions for the spectator, they're questions for the public and notions of the collective and groups. We have to share the responsibility of how we relate to video today.